Welcome everyone, you might be in a situation where when you try and play online, you see error. You cannot play multiplayer games because of how your account is set up. Now, this issue can happen, God knows why, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first of all, we'll press the Xbox button or the PS button. We'll find Black Ops, press start, quit. Okay. Next, we'll press start on Black Ops again. We'll find manage game and add-ons. There we go. And what we're going to have to do, this might hurt, but we're going to have to basically reinstall the game. So for some reason, I've tried deleting the save data personally. That hasn't worked. So what we're going to have to do is, you see all this stuff right here. We're going to uninstall the content packs, right? Save changes. And we'll just wait for those to uninstall. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to manage game, and we're just going to reinstall. Go here. We're just going to reinstall the packs. Save changes. So this is very finicky, but welcome to this game, and we need to close it obviously. So go back in, manage, and what I want you to do is delete your data. Now don't worry about this. This is synced to the cloud. It just needs to re-download. Seems like the download failed. No, they all installed. Right, cool. No, I don't want to do that. And so we've reinstalled the packs, and we've also removed the save data. So this time, okay, so I did a cut because what happened is the content packs didn't fully install. There was like one glitched here, and so I cancelled that one. Then I've made sure everything's properly reinstalled this time. So if I show you games, start, just want to make sure you can see everything. So if I go to games, you can see all the content packs are now installed. And once they've actually installed, you're going to turn off and on your Xbox. So hold it down until it goes black. So it's still blinking, just keep on holding. And once it's turned off, you're going to turn it back on. Alright? And let's just wait for that. Okay, so what's happened is, also my Elgato's hooked up, and you can see the screen right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back into the Xbox. So we'll just go to HDMI 1. What kind of sucks? I have a 4K 140 Hz monitor, and I can't even play 100 and, anyway, we're just going to launch up the game again, and this time the issue should be fixed. So let's have a look. Let's give it a bit to do. It's Shanghai, you know. I have some PTSD with Shanghai, you know. If you want a video on why, let me know. So let's connect. Okay, so same user, and it seems like it's working. Now, I know how to cause this error, that's why I did this for this video. And so there is a chance that when you're playing, you can see first of all one line. When you're playing, it will force you into local. But this time, when you press X to play online, it will actually work this time, which is really cool. You can see zombies, and I'm actually playing online this time. You know, there's no issue. So that's how to fix the error which says you can't play online. I don't know if someone's done this on YouTube before, but I upload anything and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like. I'm sure you might play as well. I mean, this is obviously online. You can see my diamond stuff, my gold stuff. Just a small flex. Have I even got gold on this gun? Yeah, I got gold on MP5. I'm trying to get Damascus or Dark Ether into. Almost there, 5 out of 9. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like. See you guys later.